everybody, this is Kathy from Katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a video response to Elisha from Elisha's Crafty Hoplop. This morning I wake up as I usually do and turn on my YouTube and just scroll down and try to watch a few videos. Elisha is usually my first one to watch. Okay, so sometimes I may watch your videos and don't comment, which is very common now that kids are distance learning. So anyways, so she asked, what is on your desk? She showed what was in her desk in her crafty area. So I am coming along while my kids are in their little small break to make this video. So I do apologize. As you guys could see, there's already a mess back there. So this is how you will usually, if you come into my house, this is how you will see it. I miss doing videos in my crafty spot right here because I could just clear everything out and make my videos. So now I am kind of forced to do my videos in my bedroom. It's cleaner, but there's nothing there but a space to videotape. So anyway, so let me go ahead and zoom out a little bit. And if you guys close your eyes, please close your eyes. So I do apologize. And there you go. This is what my desk looks like. What's on my desk. This is what's on my desk. Some of them is items I am gonna start working on. Some of them are half done items. So these are my baby craft stuff that I need to work on, as well as those beads right there. I have glues right there everywhere, as you guys could see. I actually just finished making this card last night for a Stamps of Life. Basically, they give you a template of what they want you to do, and you basically upload it in their events and try to enter their I guess challenges, that's what they call. So I just finished this one yesterday and I just followed the template. So I have these items here that I need to clear out already. And then I have this memory decks that I am trying to finish off, and this is for a challenge. I'm not going to mention who it is. And then these are some scissors somebody gifted me, and I have the bow template here. Oops, sorry you guys. I have a few scoring tools, and these scoring tools are because I am scoring something and then I place it down and then I can't find it, so I go to right there, right, let me see if I can, right, oh my goodness, there you go, right there where all my scoring tools are. Okay, that's where all my scoring tools are, right there. And that's basically, I pull it out, place it down after I'm done scoring, then I can't find it, and then I'm looking for it. So this is a mess, and it's always a mess like this, and somehow it stays like this. Even though after I clean it, 5 minutes later, it's back to what it was, because I start creating, just making a mess. And that is a keyword, mess. So here are some stuff, some bows I've made, and more scoring tools, pieces of paper that I need to basically actually try to see if I could salvage or throw away because it's too much. Here are some of my Hooray paper pads that I've been working on, projects, and this is more of them right here. So see, some of these are the yay and nay projects, so I still have to go sort through them. And basically that's it. Oh my goodness. So it is a mess. And like I said, I'm trying to pick it up. And usually this is the mess left from the night before. And I try to pick it up during the day. But like I said, 5 minutes later, it is a mess. And this is a die cut that Elisha sent me. So yeah, it's everywhere. Everything's everywhere. So this is an embarrassment. But I wanted to show you what my crafty desk looks like. So thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and if you guys have not watched Elisha's video on this, I will link it down on the description below. I just wanted to do a shout out to Lorraine Barton. Her desk is spotless compared to mine. Yes. Anyways, thank you again for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.